Today, I'm making my favorite banana loaf recipe, of course, by yours truly, and let's make someone happy.
Simpol, luto na, ha-ha, luto na, ha-ha.
I will sift my dry ingredients, so I'm using 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. To give it a very nice aroma, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. And salt, of course, for flavor. Just sift everything together. And now I will add my walnuts into my dry mixture. So chop your walnuts. You can also replace the walnuts with chocolate chips. Let's set that aside. And let's work on our other ingredients. And I start off with, of course, overripe bananas. It's 1.5 cups of banana. And I'm adding my brown sugar. And I will just mash my bananas. Very nice. And I will add 2 whole eggs. And to make our banana loaf really moist, I'm adding 1/3 of a cup of golden Fiesta palm oil. And I will also add some vanilla extract. Just beat everything together. Now we combine our dry ingredients. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius. Just mix everything, fold. You can even steam this if you don't have an oven. Yan. So I have my loaf pan. So you can brush your loaf pan with a little bit of our golden Fiesta palm oil so you can depan your banana loaf easily. And lining our pan with parchment paper, and we pour our banana butter into our loaf pan. So we will make a mixture of brown sugar and a little bit of cinnamon. Slice our banana lengthwise. Just dredge it in our cinnamon sugar and arrange it over our banana loaf. And we are now ready to bake. And let's bake our banana loaf at 160 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes. And that's how you make the perfect banana loaf. Simple!